Hi, so now the students have decided on their guiding questions and it's time to start doing research. Now, ideally we would be using tons and tons of textbooks and going to the library and finding perfect text resources, but in reality that may not be the case. So I would also encourage students to use different resources, and in our ever-growing technological world, they should start learning appropriate search engines and appropriate URLs to use while they are doing their research. So that would be today's mini lesson, is search engines and URLs. For my connection, a lot of your research is going to be done using the internet. It is important to use accountable internet sources. So this little chart, if you will, it's good because it's bringing in a little bit of the math component and helping students read this and see the circle graph here and see, looking at the percentages, which are the most reliable or the most, it says here, search engine rankings. So making inferences, if Google has 65.1%, then that might be the most trustworthy one, Yahoo, and so on and so forth. Just so that when they get there, they don't, go to Wikipedia or, other unreliable resources. The Teach is demonstrating how to do a proper search using the internet. Now, the BrainPop is a wonderful resource if you have access to BrainPop. But if not, then I would go ahead and demonstrate. I would show the students, how do you get to the internet? Where is the search bar? You can go to Google, and then you may type in your question, and then all these websites are going to pop up. They need to be careful. They need to look out for ads, that they're not clicking on ads, and they need to be careful of what the URL is. So if you look here, it has the, and in purple, I tried to put the, better, if you will. So the edus or the .orgs or the .govs, I would tell the students, I try to lean toward those websites rather than the .coms. There's nothing wrong with the .coms. They're just, not necessarily always going to be as accountable as .edu, .org, or .gov. Again, though, we're in emphasis. It's okay if you find .coms because there is still valid information in there, but like I said, try to go back to the other URLs. Their active involvement will just be getting to go ahead and start doing some research on the internet. Have it be, if you're a BYOT school, bring your own technology, have them connect to the internet, and you're all set. You could use your classroom computers, Chromebooks, iPads, whatever you have available for the students to use. Another thing, before I let them go ahead and start going off, I'd remind them what are the URL codes that you should try to use. Also, and have them set a goal for themselves. They should be able to record at least 3 to 5 facts from their search today. Alrighty, good luck. Bye-bye.